sentence from this umbrella and match these pictures. Okay. Come to here. All. Then read and translate, okay? You quick, boys. Boys. Okay, who starts? Right. Who starts? I don't know.
It's a method of exchanging message between people using a device. Email has to speak and use as a version of counterpart to mail at the time when mail is only physical mail.
Translate.
Bu yıkadan arasında hataması bulunmalıdır. Yani email bu.
Okay. Next, whatever.
Another technology company in Unicorn which include LLB, Kaspi Shop, GC, Kaspi Web, and Kaspi Pay, and LLB, Kaspi Travel. In 2020, the company became one of the fastest growing IT financial organization in Europe and Eurasia, and a leading player in the financial market of currency.
Okay, translate.
Бұл Қазақстандық технологиялық компания, бұл жерде Kaspi Shop, Kaspi Bank, Kaspi Pay, Kaspi Travel бар. 2020 жылғы компаниялар ішінде бұл ең тез өсті.
Next. You please.
An internationally available freeware cross-platform centralized instant messaging and voice over IP service owned by American company Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook. It allows users to send text and voice messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, video locations, and other content. Bu servis Amerika kampanya Meta Platform бұл қолданушыларға текст және дауыс сообщениялар жіберуге мүмкіндік береді және бұл
Okay. Next, who wants?
Photo and video sharing social network service owned by American that allows users to upload videos that can be edited with filters and organized by hashtags and carefully created. Бұл фото және видеоны бөлісетін сервис Американың Meta Platforms компаниясының шығарылған. Бұл сервис бұл сервис арқылы адамдар өздерінің видеоларын және
Okay, match.
Instagram, I guess.
To this? Okay, and I.
An American online video sharing is a social media platform which was recorded in San Diego, California. It was launched on February 14, 2005 by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Joe Karen. It is owned by Google, and it is the second most visited website after Google search. American online video сетке, Калифорнияда ең алғашқы рет жүктелді. Бұл 14 февраль 2005 жылы Стив Чен мен Шад Харли және Джо Карин жүктеген болатын.
Google. Okay.
Telekom video communication sistemi жасалынған видеозамат программасы. Бұл план арқылы 100 адам 40 минут сөйлесе алады. I think it's Zoom.
Okay, well done.
Globally, SSI will premium cross-platform encrypted cloud data and centralized instant staging service. The service also provides optional end-to-end encrypted chats and video calling, voice, file sharing, and several other features. The глобальная программа видеозвонок пен адамдармен сөйлесуге мүмкіндік береді.
Telegram. Okay, well done. Next. About this video.
How to make tablets.
Okay. Okay, now you should make a video advertisement about vitamins, and you have to publish this video Instagram and TikTok. Oh no, send me to WhatsApp, okay? Now because it is Daramali and Hadaya. Huh? Okay. You have 15 minutes. Have you finished?
Contains all the water minerals and vitamins
Okay, now what's the advertisement about Al-Hadriya? Okay. Your group. We'll wait this group for this video. Do you like?
Yes.
Okay. What is that one?
About they made a video about India, and I think it was a great advertisement.